WSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Holt Hanley.
Good morning. All week long we've been talking about the atmospheric river that's going to be coming in tomorrow and then lasting through Friday. But we do have a little rain out there already right now. This isn't the atmospheric river. This is just a light to moderate front that's going to be moving through over the next couple of hours, bringing 1/4 of an inch of rain across the central coast. But overall, it moves off very quickly, and then by this afternoon we've transitioned back to mostly sunny skies. And that's perfect timing because it'll give us a little window where we're able to prepare for the atmospheric river that's moving in on Thursday. Now, there's two aspects of this that have changed since yesterday. It looks like the timing shifted a little bit forward, and unfortunately it also looks like it's going to be a little bit stronger than what we were originally seeing. So light rainfall begins tomorrow morning, then it ramps up into tomorrow afternoon, and then the heavy rain, gusty winds continuing overnight and into Friday. So this is going to bring a large amount of snow up to the Sierra. That's maybe 4 to 5 feet on top of all of the snow that we've already picked up over the last couple of weeks. And then along the central coast, we can just break down our timing of our rainfall over the next 3 days. This is what's expected by tonight. So up to 1/4 of an inch and then almost nothing for the Salinas Valley. And that's just with that front over the next couple of hours. Then through Thursday, we've picked up 1 to 3 inches in the higher elevations. And then by Friday, we've seen some of the higher elevations pick up 6 inches and potentially even more than that. And we're going to have to continue to keep an eye on it because the model changed over the last 24 hours and it'll still become more confident as we get closer to the event itself. Now, with all that rain and the gusty winds, we have a flood watch in place. We have a wind advisory in place, and then up in the mountains, it's technically a winter storm watch right now, but we'll definitely see that turn into a winter storm warning. And then breaking down the 8-day, again, we have a little window this afternoon to prepare and should be fairly pleasant out there. And then there's another storm potentially towards the start of next week, but we'll wait to really dive into that one because our main focus right now is definitely Thursday.